Do you know what a DTS is? DTS stands for Discipleship Training School. It seeks to bring you into more of an intimate relationship with God. It also gives you an opportunity to discover your passions and your part in God's purpose for the world. The course is a full-time program and it lasts 6 months. It consists of 2 parts, lecture phase and outreach phase. In the lecture phase, you will learn more about God and His Word and also learn to live in a community and practical training. The outreach phase focuses on applying what you learned in the classroom through an intense cross-cultural experience. You can apply for the DTS here in Denmark. To find out more or to apply, click on our link below.